Welcome to the Blinded Plug, Mzansi and Eswatini, where a bachelor or a bachelorette goes on a blind date with three strangers. The three strangers will then compete to be the one chosen by that bachelor or bachelorette at the end. Now, let's get to the show.
My name is Nosisa Chabango. I'm 27 years old. Ngihlala around Lobamba. I'm young, tofuna life partner. Ngifuna umuntu lona 27 to 35 years old. Someone lomsabako uNkulunkulu, lo respectako njengoba nami ngirespecta ke. Lo tati kokuthi uyapi ufuna ini. Okay, I have a child. Ngeke sengimind kuba na someone lonemntwana. I've been a one or two.
Hi.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine. How are you?
I'm fine.
Yeah. My name is Sakile Dlamini. Yeah, I'd like to know what your name is.
No, I'm Nosisa Chabango.
Nosisa Chabango.
Yes.
Ngempela shothi singakhuluma nangeSiswati.
Yebo.
Yeah, ngafuna ukuvutani Nosisa. Yini ufuna kuyadinga?
Qasiqalela kule age, how old?
March 31 this year, going to 28. So turning 29 next year.
Ngihlala kuphi?
Currently ngalobamba due to internship, but nje ekhaya sehonjeni lespeed.
I'm staying around Lobamba. I'm also staying there.
Oh, okay. Nakuba lobamba. Ngisezabe.
Ngiyasisa Mary's.
Sene. Oh, saka sengafani nje bathi ngiledudu. Ngiyabula faro.
Yeah. Right. Are you working?
No, currently I'm a student, but my part-time job here and I'm making money, but I'm not working. Hustling. I'm not saying I'm lying.
Okay.
Yeah. Basically, are you working?
No, I'm not. I'm working on something. I was working. Ngoba ngithinking lapha nalapha. Then ngasasang
yabona mase kusebenza wena yini?
I'm someone running a mobile kitchen.
Oh, okay. I cook too.
You cook?
How to think that?
Angawuhluli.
Ingazi bengilapha nje ngipheka khona restaurant lesirana siswami lapha Sokola opposite amaphoseni.
Esoko?
Yeah.
Oh, okay.
Yeah. But vele bona ungathi bengisema back doors.
Oh, yeah, ngaya lapha once.
Yeah.
Ngithanda ibheka yakhona.
Washo sister uphela ngabe kugcina khamba kahle.
Do you have umntwana?
Yes, I do. I got a kid when I was 22. He's 6 now. Yeah.
Oh, nami naye, he's 7.
Oh, is that he?
Yeah, he's right here.
Okay. When you come back, ngiyabona uyafunda?
No, I'm not. I've got 2016.
Oh, okay.
I'm 27.
27. 1 year younger.
Yeah.
Nice. You mean birthday yako?
26 John.
Of course. Ngiyabona. So, yeah. Basically, okay, now I'm going to put a few questions here and there, but so far I'm good. Now that I'm good for now. Now I'm a basic as stupid. What's your favorite color?
Ngithanda ama bright colors.
Bright.
Yeah, bright. Nginganaki lo black. Okay, no black ngiyamthanda.
Elegant, yeah. When you say bright colors, you include pink?
Yeah, pink, white. Okay,
nice.
Especially white.
So you're a woman. I go to the tomboyish.
No, I'm a woman.
Feminine.
Yeah.
Okay.
Do you drink?
Sometimes, yeah. Sometimes, yeah.
Sometimes.
I need alcohol sometimes.
Oh. Okay.
Yeah, go to the groove, have fun. Also go to church though.
You also go to church?
Yeah. Do you drink?
Yeah, I do. But occasionally, like we are paying umnyaka ngaka.
So when they
Nasangnaza, okay. Maybe on my birthday, I celebrated that year. Mm-hmm.
Oh, that's nice.
I'm not someone yellow.
Okay. Which means we're going out on a date with child class A wine because we are there.
Yeah. No. That's not me.
Yeah, okay, Shaba.
Yes. Now, ufuna omumflo msakatu ufuna omumflo kanjani? Bengekho, I wasn't there.
Yeah, it's fine. Okay, it's not usually good to I think my experiences, I don't go out looking. I think it's wrong. But in an instance, I would say never aroused or never attracted. Basically, it starts from conversations. I want you to always come around. How does it go? Are you able to answer questions? Similar. But the case should be beautiful. I want to and I'm looked out after that. It's beautiful. Job attention now.
Thank you.
It's a pity that you don't see me, but it's nice. But it's nice, the whole point. Yeah, but for this show that we're doing, I feel like it's better for you. I'd be you, because I don't like seeing. And then it's
okay.
Yeah. But
yeah, 30%. Ish. Ngathi ngaba ngesikhathi besisincane like nami being nervous. Yeah, otherwise kude lokhu la ngiphemvule khona ngasala. I think we needed more time too, but
like unexpected. I think it's scary meeting someone, especially if you can't be making eye contact and the questions but I feel like it was flawless because she was asking about me, and then it was okay. We didn't complain.
She's someone you go for.
She looks nice. She's well spoken. She's beautiful. She has her own thing going on, like she's self-employed, so I like that, and she looks good. I hope she picks me. Hello there.
How are you?
I'm good. How are you?
Fine.
That's good.
This is Shabango.
And I am Samson Richter, or Sam.
Pardon?
Yeah, my surname is very complex. It's a good story.
Okay. What do you say?
Not too far from here in Ngwenya. In Ngwenya.
Okay. I'm staying around Obamba. Just by Solomon.
Interesting. When it comes to a guy, what is it that you look for in a guy?
I'm looking for a romantic person, a loving person, an honest person. Should be clean, obviously. Smelling good. It doesn't matter if he's working or not, but as long as he's hustling. What else? Okay, it doesn't matter if he has kids, but it must be 1 or 2. He must be God-fearing. I'm not looking for a groovist. It doesn't matter if he drinks, but he mustn't overdo it. Someone who makes time for his partner, who loves family.
And what would your version be of a perfect relationship? I know this is not a perfect world, but there are small pieces of gold nuggets here and there. So what would your version be of a perfect relationship?
Is when you are honest to each other. I want someone who is honest, who have time. That's my perfect relationship. It's time, love, and honestly.
Obvious. That's one of the key things. How we are to keep a relationship together. The glue that holds two people together, if that's how people put it.
Pardon? Didn't hear that part.
I'm saying it's the glue that holds two people together.
Yeah. Do you have kids?
I have a son, yes.
How old?
He just recently turned 2, come the 27th of September.
Okay. I have a son too.
Congratulations. How old is he?
He's 7.
Oh, shame.
Doing great too.
Amazing.
What are you looking for in a woman?
Now there's a question. And I love good questions because good questions come with good answers. When it comes to a lady, okay, yeah. They say that looks count. Yeah. But so does the heart. I mean, you could be a beautiful looking person, but your personality wise, but for me, it's just one thing. People say honesty, love, loyalty, trustworthy, right? But for me, it's one thing that summarizes everything. And the word is consistency. In other words, whether in the good times or the bad times, the love that the person has for her man doesn't change, doesn't falter. Just because things are not going the way we hope that things would go. That's the one thing that I look for in a lady.
Okay.
It speaks volumes. Because it gives me an idea of showing me, okay, now this is a person that actually follows a straight path.
Okay.
And something that I can build a relationship on with confidence. A lot of people need confidence these days, especially in relationships. The world's upside down. People have versions of what love is, and daughter must do this and this, that, the next thing. Yeah. But, I want somebody of consistency.
Okay. Do you love kids? Because I wouldn't want someone...
You gotta meet my parents and see what my parents do. It's one of the reasons why I love children. I literally love children.
Okay.
I have a son.
So you have to.
Definitely. But even before I had a son, I was working. But yeah.
I'm currently not working. I was working, so I'm working on something.
Okay.
I want to do my own thing.
Entrepreneur, are you?
I'm someone who loves cooking, so...
Is that right? Interesting.
Yeah.
Well, I'm a guy that likes to eat food. So yeah.
I also love food. I'm a food person.
That's a good thing. You should travel.
I should travel.
Yeah.
I also love traveling.
If you like food, then you definitely need to travel.
Yeah.
Different places, different cultures.
Yeah, I love that. Any more questions? Sorry, I'm nervous.
Don't be nervous. I don't bite. Except my food, obviously. But, yeah.
60. Let's give him 60. Because I'm saying I got meet the last one. He's talkative. I want someone to open, like, don't I call conversation. Like, yeah.
My kind of a person, hearing her ideas, her questions answered, my questions I had, yeah, definitely there is potential, and I'm a huge fan of potential. Hello.
Hi, how are you?
I'm fine, John.
Ngiyaphila nami.
Yo, Sawana come
Mrs. Shabango,
from.
Lobamba.
Okay. So, okay, man, as I said, siyamthola umjida. Let's say, ngeke but then let's say, ngiyabambana labayithu. Wenda njani nje? Sayidinga kakho nje.
No, the two alright, not more than two.
Okay.
The two alright.
Don't go nakubana.
I'm a mother first.
Sending 3, okay, like not 3 obambana manje family.
I'm a mother first.
Okay. I don't understand. So,
Ushalaphi?
okay, like this is cool. It's cool.
Around Baban?
Yes.
Are you working?
No.
Okay.
It's for March, but
Kukhona lawo.
yeah.
Ngiloko lokumcoka.
Yeah. Ihlangana side.
Kids?
None.
None.
Yeah.
How old?
23, basically.
You're 23.
Yeah.
Okay. What are you looking for in a woman?
No. Okay, so nothing. Like superwoman, I'm just strong, I'm just strong, and they respect how don't you have like you respect respect from cheetah and you understand how to see cheetah and the personality you couldn't make that because they account and and the rest doesn't make sense to me.
Do you drink? You don't?
I don't.
Most I do.
Well, that is not a problem because it's our way now.
Ngeke ukuthi sengiphumile nebangani bami. Then you feel like nah.
Shana ngesikhathi yabo. Ngesikhathi ngempela. Yes. So shana ngesikhathi ukuthi wena uphumile nebangani bakho but then uphume nini yabo. So we understand it.
Okay. Isikoma uhlala kusekhaya uqashile.
Ngarenta.
Uyarenta ekhaya ngo?
Okay, kamanzini ekhaya. Elwandle.
Okay.
Yes.
Do you go to church?
Sometimes. Depends.
Sometimes uba busy ngani kani?
During my Sunday, maybe like me, okay, like busy about something like ngiyashiyana because ilanga lami ngiplan ekuseni mangivuka yabo. Akusiyimule ngathi like ngihlala busy nganabo yabo. Kufika nje ekuseni mangivuka ukuthi okay ngaba busy nganabo then bese ngabathenda. Awu bese umntwana uyashiyana nje occasion ithi yabo.
Which church do you attend?
Okay. I don't have a choice, but I do attend. Like I attend, like I tell somebody basically.
Like nakuthi ngihambe Jericho namuhla vele.
Oh no, we Jericho. Okay, like I'm a Christian.
Okay.
Yeah, they do Jericho.
Ngelo Muslim.
Jericho. Okay.
Ngayela nje siyayenda Nkosi yami sihamba nomyeni wami.
Nathi pia.
Konke, like konke.
Oh, pipi lenta njalo.
Ngesikhathi sami sokuthi I wanna have fun ngiyahamba ngiyo. Nasefuna ukuthi ngidibane naNkulunkulu, it doesn't matter ukuthi utolobe ngendani but nase ngisekhorusini lami naNkulunkulu.
Ngathi idindayela.
Sikhonethana ngalendlela.
Wow. Okay, singing because I don't judge yabo. Yeah, when I exit I don't mind.
Nami indlela ngikhona ukuthangana naNkulunkulu nangiva ngazi ukuthi ukholo kungahambi kahle namuhla.
Nathi so feel ngathi sithandaza kusebenze.
Ngiyakwenda nabo but kuyahambisana for me.
Like nawuthandazile kufuna bese unathendaye khona to sebenza.
Angithandi loyo umuntu. Kude lo fako.
I will be not join nawuthandaza but then naso nathandayela I won't be part of that.
As long as sithandaza kanye kanye.
Yeah. That's not a problem.
Okay, makes sense. ngesikhathi sakho nje lo free ngaso lo ba free ngaso ube busy ngani are you lo muntu wema friends or
yeah basically ngathanda ama friends ngafuna
umuntu wemajita sayimajiteni
okay kuzilile ngaba busy ngani silo umuntu uthanda ukuba into yabo ngithanda ukuphuma ngibone babo like people yabo thanda ukubona babo long as ngibone babo ngibaqalele ilanga lami liyakheka lapho.
Okay. 20%. First, it's the age. Okay, nale language. Actually, lengi funako. Yeah, kuto lokumchazile lokunganani. Yeah, he can talk, but.
Okay, like okay, alright, yabo. But sakunguthi ngathi like ngathi akathembe lesayidinda lakhe yabo akekho show ngaye yabo. But alright, yabo personality like ngamrate ukuthi hayi 9 out of 10 yabo. Ngomgaya nje like ngamrate njengemuntu yabo. Uthi ukahle. Okay, like akasiyo but ngamakha betype yabo. Akasi type yam but ngamakha betype yam because like personality yakhe njengoba ngisho something like impress awo.
Number 2, see the conversation ibeng deng impress ako. Another thing, he's far from Langhlala khona. I don't do locals. Sengifuna ke stolo. Cala ukubona like sengibabede isikhathi sami. Yeah. I think he's much mature. Yeah, sibe nayo le connection la le conversation. I think singabuka ukuthi kusisaphi. I choose number 2. They're helping at the convoluteni mbuto yenu from Sakile Dlamini. Yes, from Sakile Dlamini to okay, ngicale ku Bhuti Sakile. Conversation yethu ibe the right ndimnanzi. Sam. Oh, okay. Sam, we have a good conversation. Yeah. Everything it's okay. We can be right. Then over to you. The conversation here to even right. You can talk like yes. But it's higher the age. The age. Yeah. So all in all, kwamele ngikhethe vele. Kwamele ngikhethe. I chose number 2 because conversation here to even has that connection, and he's far from Langhlala khona. I feel like he's khona kuba nespace singabe kusi I wanna see you eneke Sakile, sorry, really I had a feeling ukuthi I know you. I had that feeling that I know you. I had a feeling, that's why I didn't choose him. I had a feeling I know him from Lagashi Tokhona Gutsi. Yeah, so yeah. That's why I didn't choose you. It's the age, my bro. I'm sorry. Yeah, otherwise you could. Thank you so much.
So now that you know what you know about what you know, what happens next?
Same question.
Okay, what would you like to have happen next?
I would love to have something serious with you. I would love to get to know you better.
Likewise. I also want to do the same thing.
So, you're the man.
And
You lead the way.
I will do just that.
So,
And I will try by all means to follow everything that you have said. Your expectations, your ambitions, your goals. I'm all for that idea.
okay. Thank you.
So let's make this something to remember. Something that you can fall back and say, you know what? That's where we started.
I would love that.
And look at what we've accomplished.
I would love that. I would love that.
Perfect. Works for me.
Let's call it a date.
Shall we? Definitely.
Oh, second hug, please.
Of course.
Thank you.